Let's be real, nobody actually enjoys paying bills. But what if you could put your AEP Ohio electric bill on complete autopilots? Welcome to this explainer, where we're diving into the ultimate solution for managing your utility bills without the monthly stress of manual payments. If you're looking to avoid late fees, simplify your finances, and ensure your power stays on without a second thought, you are in the exact right place. I want to start by asking you something. Are you totally exhausted by constantly tracking due dates and worrying about missing a payment? We all have incredibly busy lives, and keeping a mental checklist of utility deadlines is, frankly, just unnecessary administrative friction. Automating this whole process is a really strategic move for managing your personal cash flow, and today we're going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, here is a surprising and honestly kind of painful fact. If your residential bill goes unpaid just 7 days past the due date, AEP Ohio slaps on a 1.5% late fee penalty. Our main goal today is to help you build a fortress around your bank account and avoid this entirely by putting your billing on cruise control. Here is our roadmap for this explainer. We'll quickly cover autopay benefits, preparation, the setup process, troubleshooting, security and scams, and finally, your next steps.
Section 1. Autopay benefits.
So why even bother making the switch? Well, there's a stark contrast between the old manual way and this automated system. The manual method can actually nickel and dime you. If you pay by credit or a debit card over the phone, or even just as a guest online, you might get hit with a $2.95 to $3.95 third-party processing fee from providers like Bill Matrix. Compare that to Autopay. It uses a completely free, direct ACH transfer straight from your checking or savings account, literally zero extra transaction costs, and absolutely zero risk of late fees. And here is where it gets really interesting for your wallet. Certain qualifying tariff structures actually offer up to a 5% enrollment discount just for using Autopay. To put that into perspective, if your average monthly bill is around $300, that 5% discount translates to a very real $180 of projected savings over the course of a year. It essentially pays you to make your life more convenient. Furthermore, AEP Ohio utilizes what are called cycle-adjusted transfers. Because, your electricity usage fluctuates. It's going to be higher in the summer with the AC blasting, and probably lower in the spring, so your bill is dynamic. This system automatically calculates your exact statement balance at the very end of each billing cycle and updates the pending transaction to match it perfectly. You never have to log in and tweak the payment amount. The system just handles it for you every single month. All right, moving to Section 2, Preparation. To make this setup completely seamless, you'll want to gather a few things before we start. You'll need internet access and a valid AEP Ohio online account. If you haven't registered yet, no worries. Just have your 10-digit utility account number and your billing zip code handy to link your service address. Finally, you're going to want to grab your checkbook or open up your banking app because you'll need your bank's routing transit number and your checking or savings account number. Section 3. The setup process. Okay, setting this up digitally is incredibly intuitive. It takes just 3 business days to activate if you follow these 4 simple steps. First, log in at aepoohio.com or pop open their official mobile app. Second, head over to the My Account tab, find the Bills and Payments section, and click on Autopay. Third, securely input your bank routing and account numbers. And fourth, just agree to the electronic authorization terms and hit save. Once it's active, you'll see Autopay listed clear as day on your account summary page and right at the top of your future bills. Now, if you're old school and prefer the traditional postal route, that is an option. But keep in mind, it requires printing an enrollment form, tracking down a voided check, and mailing it all to their P.O. box in Columbus, Ohio. Because this involves manual data entry on their end, it takes 4 to 6 weeks to activate. That means you've got to keep paying manually until your paper bill explicitly says your Autopay is active. Honestly, we highly recommend the digital route for speed and efficiency. Section 4. Troubleshoot it. Knowing how the system handles the unexpected gives you true peace of mind. For instance, what if a payment fails because of non-sufficient funds? Well, AEP Ohio actually uses an automated mitigation protocol. Depending on the bank code, they might automatically try a second time before returning the payment. So always wait for the final processing status in your dashboard before you jump in and try paying manually. You definitely want to avoid accidental duplicate payments. Also, if you move within their territory, you can use the online service transfer form to seamlessly bring your Autopay settings with you. And if you close your account completely, the Autopay schedule automatically deactivates on your final closure date. So no ghost drafts to worry about. Section side, security and scams. This is a crucial one. Scammers are incredibly active these days, specifically targeting utility customers. They might call you up offering fake autopay discounts or aggressively threatening to shut off your power right then and there unless you pay. But please, remember this absolute rule. AEP Ohio will never demand immediate deposits via prepaid credit cards or wire transfers to set up automated billing. No way. To lock down your account, always verify any claims of a past due balance by checking your secure online dashboard or mobile app yourself. You can also call customer care and set up a customized account security code, a unique word or phrase that proves you are who you say you are and blocks unauthorized changes. Also, fun fact, if someone else ever needs to help you pay a bill, third parties can actually make secure manual phone payments on your behalf without you ever exposing your personal data. Most importantly, if you ever feel even a little suspicious about a phone call, hang up immediately. Just dial AEP Ohio directly at 1-800-672-2231. They can tell you right away if it was really them.
Section 6. Next steps.
By taking just a handful of minutes today to set this up, you secure your peace of mind. You protect yourself from those annoying 1.5% late fee penalties. You potentially unlock a 5% monthly discount, which, as we saw, adds up to real money. You defend your credit score by guaranteeing consistent, on-time payments. And honestly, perhaps the best part, you drastically reduce the mental clutter and stress of manual financial tracking. So, I've got to ask, are you ready to take control of your time and automate your peace of mind? The portal is waiting, and the setup is incredibly fast. Please share this explainer with anyone who might benefit from a little less stress in their life. And as a quick reminder, always verify your specific account details and discount eligibility directly with AEP Ohio or consult a financial advisor if you need to. But before you go, just ask yourself one final thing. How many hours of your life have you traded just keeping track of a utility bill? Reclaim your time today.